Before explaining about my code, I am going to give you an overview about our Eat and Drink restaurant. This project is about a basic restaurant idea. It is designed to facilitate the interaction between the restaurant manager and the customers. In this website, the customers can order the food by using the add to cart option and can deliver the food by using our app. The main key features is the customer can sign up to the website by providing their essential details including their email IDs and password. After successfully signing or logging to our website, there will be a list of starters, main course, desserts and drinks. We can place the order by using the add to cart option. After adding to the cart, we can successfully place the orders and then there will be an alert message will be displayed on your order that your order is going to be placed. Uh, we had used many technologies for preparing this code, such as Node.js and Express.js, Firebase authentication, Firestore database, embedded JavaScript, and an API key. And we had also used password hashing, and some body pass libraries are also used for implementing this code. What is the use of Node.js and Express.js? These technologies help us to handle the HTTP requests, directing traffic, and displaying web pages. What is the use of Firebase authentication? The Firebase authentication helps the users to sign up and log in into with their email and passwords. It helps to store the customer's data in the Firestore database. Is there any use of password hashing? Yes, password hashing is a way to change a user's password into a special code that's hard to read and always the same length. An API key named Spectacular API is also used. Yeah, API key named Spectacular API is also used here. This provides details about our different starters, main course, desserts and drinks. It also provides the different recipes, and we are going to have number of requests. Unlimited requests, and we can add the request orders into the cart option and we can deliver them. Now coming to the code, first I have created a folder named public and I have embedded the dashboard.html, index.html, login.html, script.js, signup.html and style.css into our public folder. As we know that style.css is used for decorating our code, means adding some colors to our code, and the script.js is used for the backward functionality, and signup.html and login.html are designed by using the node.js and the express.js, and index.html are used is an important HTML code that are going to display our names such as our starters. It is going to display our starters something something, and here API key is also used in our index.html. I said that it is a vernacular API key. And key.json, and private key is embedded in the key.json from the Firestore database, and this key.json is connected in the server.js to know whether our code is running on the server or not. To know whether our code is running on our server or not, we are going to execute it. Node space server.js, and then we are getting that our server is running on the port 2000. Now I'm going to display the output of our restaurant website. This is our home page of the restaurant website. We can log in and sign up into our restaurant website. Before login and going to sign up into our restaurant website, I am going to visit the items that we have in our restaurant website. First, I am going to introduce the starters. There are vast variety of starters, including main course as well as the desserts and the cold drinks. First, we are going to sign up with their new mail ID. We are going to give a default password which must consist of 6 letters. After getting signed up, it displays the user already exists. So I can give another random number and random mail. It gives that our sign up is successful, then it asks us to log in. Then after getting logged in, it gives that our login is getting successful. Then we can add some starters into our cart. Easy to mix spring rolls. If I added into my cart, as well as some main course I have added into my cart. Then we can see if we want we can add some desserts into my cart as well as some cool drinks. Now we can see that what I have added to my cart. Easy to make spring rolls and red kidney bean jambalaya. And this total summation is displayed here, my bill. If I want to cancel the order, I can click on cancel. The cart remains same. If I want to place the order, then I can place the order. If I place the order, then it says that thank you for your order, your total amount is billed. Then I can give okay. If I want to view my cart, that it represents that my cart is empty. Next, the details that I have given to the while I am getting signed up or login are going to be displayed in my users collection. This is the email that I had given, and this is the password is getting converted into a code. Thank you.